This is going to be a video tutorial on how to drag and drop cells in Microsoft Excel. I'll be using Office 365 for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. Okay, I have a little example project opened up here in Excel. To drag and drop a cell or multiple cells, that means to move the cell to another location. Very easy to do. I'll show you with a single cell, and then I will show you how to move a row of cells, and I'll show you how to move a column of cells. To move a single cell, I'm just going to select this cell right here. I'm going to click on it to where I have the bounding box around it. Then I'm going to move my cursor to the edge of that bounding box to where it becomes a group of arrows. And then I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I can drag that anywhere. You can see the bounding box is moving around. I'm going to let go of my mouse cursor here. Now I have moved that cell down to here. To do it with a column of cells, I'm going to select this first cell here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and drag down. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put my mouse cursor on the edge of that column of cells to where it becomes a group of arrows. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag across. I'm going to let go of my mouse button. And to move a row of cells, say I wanted to move these days of the week down below here, I'll select the first one here. I will drag across to where I have them all selected. Then I will put my cursor on the edge of that row of cells to where it becomes a group of arrows. And then I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag downward right to here. I'm going to let go. That is how you drag and drop cells using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.